If you stay towards the whole end of the video, then I'm gonna give you 3 tips to really just make sure that your 2020 vision comes true. Welcome to my channel. I'm Irene, and today I'm going to be helping you with your New Year's resolutions. Because if you're a normal human, then you know that New Year's resolutions usually don't work. And that sucks because you're in your brand new 2020 and you have goals. You've got a 2020 vision. So this video is for you, and it does not matter what your goal is because I promise you that this video will clear it up. So I'm going to be explaining 3 reasons why New Year's resolutions usually fail. And if you stay towards the whole end of the video, then I'm going to give you 3 tips to really just make sure that your 2020 vision comes true and you're not going to be stuck in that failed resolution boat. Okay, so you're probably thinking, well, how is she going to know what my goal is? It doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter if your goal is to lose weight. It doesn't matter if your goal is to get a raise, a promotion, to make $100 million this year, to finally do the thing that you've always been dreaming of. It doesn't matter what exactly your goal or resolution is. I'm going to help you really just start. And that is the thing that a lot of people miss. So why do resolutions usually fail? Well, because you haven't confronted the past. So we're talking 2018, 2019, 2010, 2015, 1990. It doesn't really matter, but the past is usually a good predictor of the future. So whatever it is that you're thinking of right now, the reason that you clicked this video and the reason that you're still watching and the reason that you're going to keep on Googling and searching late at night, hoping to finally do something different, it's all here. Number 1, you need to confront the past. So whether that's you're your problem. And let's be real, sometimes we are our biggest problems. Number 2, you need to confront someone else. Maybe it's someone that is not in your life anymore. And do you directly have to talk to them? No, you could write them a letter. You could write yourself a letter and you could apologize for the things that happened. You could record a voice note. There's so many things that you can do to confront the past, and it doesn't have to be direct. It can all be within you. If it's not something that you can do to go and talk to that person, or maybe it's an old job, or maybe it's something that happened years or decades ago, but you can confront the past. And that's gonna be step 1, and that's what a lot of people miss because we're so focused on the future and change that we forget to go back, rewind a little bit and say, hey, what actually happened before? How is that holding me back? What's holding you back right now? If you have to pause this video and write it down, then I invite you to do that, but let's just keep on moving. Number 1, confront the past. After you've done that, then heck yeah, you're moving in the right direction. Number 2 is understanding the past. And that may take time. Be patient with yourself. You are not going to, build Rome in a day and just suddenly change because it's a new decade. Yes, it's a new decade and your attitude is what really sets that off and how you go and your actions. But really take some time to understand. Understand yourself, understand the past, and then that leads me to number 3, and that's forgiveness. So no matter what happened, whether you failed on yourself, whether you didn't get up, whether you didn't put enough effort in with your studies, whether you didn't put enough effort in your relationship, whether you were a person that you're trying to leave behind and you want to change and you want to be somebody else. If you have a goal that you like, I really want to reach this, I really want to lose this weight so I can be happier, so I can be healthier, I really want to turn my life around and go in a completely different career path, then you can, but you need to forgive yourself for everything that's happened. Literally everything. You need to forgive yourself and let go because you are being burdened and you're being held down by those things that happened in your past. And now that you've confronted them and now that you understand them, you really can move on and leave that behind. And that is what so many people struggle with. And I don't want you to struggle with that because you deserve this chance. You deserve this new life. You deserve this new you, and you deserve this new 2020 vision that you are creating for yourself. And now that we've broken down those 3 short tips about New Year's resolution, I'm going to give you 3 bonus tips to help you actually succeed and achieve what you are wanting. This is juicy. Pause this, go grab a notebook, grab a pen, because pen to paper, hand to paper is so much better than hand to smartphone. Like, I'm telling you, it is muscle memory. It's going to be telling your brain exactly what you want to happen, and we are going to make this happen together. Grab a notebook and let's write some things down. Okay, so now that we're back, you've got your paper, you've got your pen, Number one, I want you to write down exactly what you want. Get really, really real about what that is, and I want you to write it down. This could be a whole page, this could be a notebook, it doesn't really matter, but you just need to know what this looks like and what do you look like in this. Okay? Number two, I want you to write out all of the things that you're doing now to get there. So what are you actually doing? Like, are you making calls? If this is something like towards a job, right? Are you making calls? Are you connecting with people? Are you asking questions? Are you reaching out to old bosses? Or this could be something totally different. This could be your attitude. So what are you doing to change your attitude? This could be something that you do as far as your health and your fitness. What are you doing right now to achieve these goals? And be real. If you're not doing anything, then say what you're not doing. Say the things that have been holding you back. You also could use number two for things that are holding you back and things that you're not doing to take action, because when you confront that and you understand that, then you're going to change. Okay? And number three, and this is the biggest tip, I want you to do something. And in my business, I call these IPAs, and this is totally different, but you can understand this and you can use this for anything. So I call IPAs income producing activities, and every single day I do a new IPA. So I love it because it helps me stay accountable to myself, and I look back, I look through my notebook and I'm like, okay, I've done all these IPAs, I check them off, and that way I know, okay, well, I've done things every single day to get closer to my goal, no matter what that is. That could be a fitness goal, a relationship goal, a hobby, a career, it could be actual income, it could be anything. Right? What are your IPAs? Or you can just call them PAs. It doesn't really matter. If it's not for income, then change the first acronym to something else. But I like to call them IPAs because I'm like, okay, well, these are income producing activities, and this could be anything. This could be a call, this could be a plan, but I want you to list those things out, and those are going to be your actions. And you can treat anything as an income producing activity, because who doesn't like income? Like, who doesn't like to get paid? Who doesn't like to get, all their hard work invested back into them with money? Everybody likes that. And if you don't, then I think you're lying. But anyways, so number three is really going to help you, because every single day you're going to be working towards those goals. And I suggest starting with 3 to 5. Keep it easy, keep it simple. It's not going to be tricky. And this is going to help you every single day keep pushing towards creating that number one, that vision, that whole reality that you mapped out, the thing that you actually want. Okay? So today we talked a lot about the past, and I gave you a lot of actual action things that you can do to get yourself to that thing that you want, to creating that 2020 vision. And next time we're going to be talking about present, so that we can get to the future. Make sure that you like this video, leave me a comment, and let me know where you're listening from, and I will see you in our next video. Bye. Messy action is better than no action, but that doesn't mean that you have to be a hot mess express, right? Because it's a new decade and we're better than that. So what do I mean by that? I mean, whatever it is that you want, you need to start.